Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you 3 soap you can get today and start using to brighten or lighten your skin. If you're fighting hyperpigmentation, you want to brighten, you want to lighten, you're looking for a soap that will help you achieve that. Although only soap cannot do the job, I'm going to give you 3 soaps you can buy today and start using to achieve your flawless skin. My name is Chioma. In this channel I talk about everything skincare. So if you love such beauty content, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. So let's begin. Let's go to the business of today. The number 1 on our list is Dr. Teal's body soap with citrus, vitamin E, oil and vitamin C. This soap, I will not classify it as a whitening or it's just brightening. There is difference between whitening and brightening. This particular soap will help you to brighten your skin, maintain your color and give you the even tones. So check around your area, make sure you buy the original one and start using it today. Dr. Teal's body soap with citrus essential oil, cocoa butter, shea butter and vitamin E. It is not going to bleach you, it will just give you that glow you are looking for. This soap has so many amazing ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E. Shea butter is an amazing ingredient that helps in smoothing and softening your skin, while vitamin E helps to shield your skin from environmental stress. So buy it today. Give it a try and see how supple and glowy your skin is going to look. Another soap on our list is Medic 5 Vitamin C and Turmeric body soap. This particular one will help in brightening you, also fight wrinkles and fine lines. The powerful ingredients like vitamin C that helps in brightening your skin and turmeric that helps in firming your skin. You know, as you're aging, you need products that will be firming your skin and make it more stronger and supple. So this soap is very good for you if you want to start. If you're looking for a soap that will help you in brightening, firming, and tightening your skin, go and get it today and give it a try. The last but not the least is Kojic Sand. Kojic Sand is a kojic acid soap that works by inhibiting the production of melanin and skin discoloration. But the problem with this is getting the original one. If you know that you cannot get the original by yourself, contact me. Check the WhatsApp number on the description. Contact me. I'll give you the original one. I'll give you the original of this soap. If you can get the original, this soap is so wonderful. The kojic acid in it helps in inhibiting production of melanin. That means it's going to brighten you and give you that glow effect. If you have dark inner thighs, this soap is also wonderful. Use it to treat your hyperpigmentation and you will see that within 6 weeks all this your skin issue will be something of the past. So buy it, give it a try and tell me, and come to the comment section and tell me your experience. I would love to know. So remember to subscribe and also watch this video on how to know your skin type. See you next time. Bye bye.